There's an error on the site. Okay. So Sandeep, this is your first time on Clappingo, right?
And this is my first time.
Okay. So there are a few things that you need to know before we get started, all right?
Okay.
So this is Clappingo. We believe in live communication and live interaction. Okay. The session will last for about 19 minutes. At 19th minute, there will be an automatic cut in the call. My name is Insha and I'm your speaker for today. Please begin by introducing yourself and tell us why do you need to learn English?
Ma'am, this is Sandeep Nayak,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm from Odisha itself.
Mm-hmm.
And since I'm from a Odia medium background, okay, and I always felt a void in my life that English has been my weakness and my vulnerability. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I tried since my childhood. No, it doesn't matter whether I'm from a Odia medium or English medium, but still English is just a language, and if I'll practice, I can be better at it. So since then, I have been trying to be fluent in English, and this is my first time here in Clappingo, and I'm quite nervous too, because I have never been into some kind of videos and all.
Mm-hmm.
This was all from my side, and I have a degree in tourism management.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's it. That's it from my side, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And Sandeep, tell me more about yourself. Tell me about your hobbies. Tell me what is it like that you like to do in your free time.
Ma'am, actually, I'm a big fan of cricket. I love to watch cricket and I love to play cricket too. And when I get some free time, I go for a road trip or long tour with my friends.
Okay, that's really wonderful.
I'm a bibliophile, like I love to read books and I love to collect new vocabs and all that's it.
Okay, okay. So what kind of books do you read?
Like fiction and fiction and the history books.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So who's your favorite author?
My favorite author is Khalid Hossein. Khalid
Okay,
Hossein,
why Khalid Hosseini?
because I have read one of his book and it was I can't really remember now the book. It was a novel, The Kite Runner.
Okay, The Kite Runner.
Yes, The Kite Runner, and I have read another one book, and I love the way he narrates thing. I love the way he explains things in a dramatic way, in an emotional way, so that I love Khalid Hossein.
Okay, okay, that's really wonderful. And since you're saying that you're someone who's very fond of cricket, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So who's your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli.
Why Virat Kohli?
Because I love his aggression, the way he performs in field, the way he motivates his teammates. And there's so many people, so many youngsters. So this is why, because Virat Kohli has something which not every person has. Like he has a burning desire to not only to win, but after the defeat, the way he handles himself, that I like the most in him.
Okay, okay, okay. And tell me, since you're saying that Virat Kohli is your favorite, do you watch IPL?
Yes, I do.
And is Royal Challengers your favorite team
Yes.
because of Virat Kohli? That's fantastic. Okay.
Yeah.
So Sandeep, tell me more about your hometown.
Like I belong to Cuttack. This is a city of
Okay.
Odisha, and there is great river in Cuttack. Cuttack is known as the silver city of Odisha. Okay. And I'm just staying close to Bhubaneswar. This is the smart city of Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the smart city of Odisha, and we have here Barbati Stadium in Cuttack. A lot of international matches have been played here in Cuttack, and yes, ma'am. That's and Cuttack is famous for dahi bada. This is a cuisine here in Odisha called dahi bada. Dahi bada.
Okay. The dish.
Curd.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The dish. I've never had a dahi bada. What does it taste like? Is it a sweet dish?
You should. The taste cannot be described in words, and you should Google it. You should Google
okay,
it.
I'll Google
it. What is dahi bada?
Okay. Yeah. And tell me more about your job, the tourism degree that you've done. Yeah.
After my plus two science, I I came to this tourism profession. Okay, and in tourism profession, I love to travel a lot, and I had a dream that if I'll get a chance, I will go to abroad and I will, roam around the world. I know it is quite impossible, but I tried as many as country I can, I can go, I can visit, I will try my level best. And
Mhm.
this is the reason why I have got into tourism industry. And recently I just completed my degree and I am working on it, because since there English is very, English is spoken worldwide. It is a very, important language. So this is why I'm just trying. I have a burning desire to learn English and to be fluent in English, ma'am. So this is the reason why I'm here and talking to you. And the main purpose of my English is, since I belong to tourism industry, so English is very much needed there. So this is the
Mhm.
reason why I'm doing all these things.
Okay. And also, you think that it's going to help you in the future,
Yes, ma'am.
particularly in career. What
Yes,
are your other interests? Are you someone who's interested in music, in watching web series, in watching movies?
yes. I used to watch Netflix a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And, a few episodes, some like recently I was watching The 100. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and that was the Stranger Things.
Mm-hmm.
And
And you watch them in Hindi dub, or do you watch it in
no, no,
English
no, no.
subtitles with?
I used to watch in Hindi, but
Mhm.
since I felt no, I'm just giving my time to serial or to episode, means I have to watch something and I have to gain something from that thing. So since then I stopped watching it from Hindi translation. I try, since then I'm just watching it in English mode with subtitle on.
Okay, that's really wonderful. And what is your favorite web series? The best web series that you've seen till date?
The best web series I have seen is Sex Education in Netflix.
Okay, Sex Education. And it's a pretty good series. It's in its third season, if I'm not mistaken. Have you seen the latest season?
Yes. Recently I
Okay.
gone through series.
Okay, yeah. It was a sensation, I guess. Like it was very famous when it came out.
Yes,
And everybody, I've
yes.
not seen it. I've seen a few episodes and I also enjoyed it. I really like the character of Otis. He's very interesting,
Yes.
right? And
Yes.
the protagonist's name, the girl he likes,
Maeve.
Maeve, right? Maeve. And then
Maeve.
there is another girl who's introduced in this series. What's her name? Ruby Matthews.
Ruby.
Yeah,
Yes.
she's very they're very beautiful people. And again, it is also very good series. From what I've heard, right?
They have tried to convey a message to the society, like we
Yeah,
have
yeah,
considered
yeah.
like taboo, and so it was. I can take it as a message. It was awesome. It was outstanding, man.
Okay. And are you someone who, like you said, you like sports and all of that? Are you someone who's interested in extensive traveling? Because I know you like traveling, but
Yes.
is the love for traveling has the love of traveling manifested in your job choice, in your choice of career?
Yes, actually, since I have mentioned it earlier that I used to travel a lot, and it has been my passion, you can say.
Mhm.
So this is the reason why I chose my career in tourism, because this
Mhm.
is not my cup of tea that I can go and visit every country, because this
Okay.
is beyond my balance and beyond my budget. So because I'm just trying to get into cruise line. Okay, so I'm preparing for that. Since my background is tourism, so if I'll get a job into cruise line, so I can move every country. But I have dreamed.
Wow, I'm very happy because I did not know a job prospect like this existed. Otherwise, I would have done that the same.
Okay.
Yeah. So, from where I can see, Sandeep, we're almost coming to an end of the session. We have, I think, at least just 5 minutes left. So, Sandeep, I'll quickly give you my feedback over your English. You're a very
Hmm.
good conversationalist. You engage in a conversation and you have something to add. Your way of speaking is very nice. You're a good
Thank you.
speaker, right? and you're also someone who's familiar with a lot of vocabulary, who's familiar with a lot of how do I say this, a lot of spoken English that that you speak. It tells me that you are someone who loves English a lot, who has been in touch with the language. Yeah, even I can hear you. I'll quickly give you my feedback. We have only 4 minutes left. So Sandeep, you're a good
Go ahead.
Okay, you're someone who has a good knowledge of English. You're someone who's very proficient also. Yeah, there are points where you can improve. You almost made no grammatical mistake. That's a very good thing. You also used good words like vulnerable, like other words that you used, as in I'm from the tourism industry. Can you hear me, Sandeep?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you. I'm sorry for the interruption.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So Sandeep, you're a good speaker. Okay.
Yeah.
One thing that I found in your speech that you can really improve upon is your mother tongue influence. For example, you say desire, instead of desire, you say desire.
Okay.
And instead of motivation, you said something like motivation. Okay. So this is something that is because of mother tongue.